Go in the park, shake it like diamond in the street. I do not even know what I'm saying. Hi guys, my name is Glenn. Today we're gonna do my Christmas present, and in my Christmas present, yeah, I got it early from Boy Scout, but I got let's see, a Rubik's Cube, and I can easily solve this. Oh, well, I can easily solve one face of it. It's actually not that hard to solve a face. It's really hard to solve the food thing. Yeah, I got a new haircut, but so I haven't been making videos lately, mainly because I didn't feel like it. It just didn't feel right, but it felt right for now, and I'm gonna be solving one of the face for you after I randomize. So happy Christmas, and let's start doing it. I'll be vlogging Christmas. Yes, I haven't been doing videos on my vlog channel lately, and so let's solve this face. The full complete skill, one face. Oh, wrecked! I wrecked my friends in PvP. So this is basically my Christmas present. It's not really Christmas yet. Let's see. The Rubik's actually very fun. It's a short video that has, really nothing. But I'll see you later in the next Minecraft video, and bye.
Such hideous face he have,
People still make.
Stop! Okay, fine.